welcome to my video. I hope you're all doing well. I have another attempt on the water drop technique with a little twist, and yeah, as you can see here, I put my UV resin into my mold and I'm sticking like little sequins in there, and I'm trying to achieve something like branches, and yeah, I just let it run for you because this explains itself. Today's video is all about coloring those yeah, lines and dots of the UV resin, and I wanted to show you in this video that you don't necessarily have to take mica powders or only powdered mica powder. I want to show you other ways that you can color these things with this technique. What I'm doing here is I'm dropping a little bit bigger dollops of my UV resin onto my mold, and I have those flower sequins that I want to put onto my drops, and I'm trying to achieve a certain look, and we'll see if this is working or not. And because this is supposed to be like branches on a flower or with flowers, I'm putting some dots of UV resin in there, and I'm just elongated on one side so it will look like petals, and yeah, I color it later. To color my little leaves, I put some gloss varnish into my little palette here, and putting some mica powder in green in there and mixing it, and this is what I'm painting my petals with. I have one warning for you when you do the water drop technique. Don't pick up the mold too much when you put the UV resin in there, because those dollops, they will lift, and you will have seepage from the resin that you pour on top of these dollops. So, and I'm painting my leaves with the mica mixture. So for the branches, I mixed up some micas myself to achieve a brown color of some sort, and I'm painting it onto my branches as well as on the leaves with the green color. Yeah, and for my flower pieces, I mix up some interference mica powder, and I'm painting it onto those little spots where the flowers are at. You won't see the back of it, but on the sides you will see it. As you can see here, I already put some glitter down into my mold, and the silicone mold will cling to the glitter, as you all well know. And so I put some stripes on it just to make it look more interesting for the eye. And now I'm taking, because I have so much background, I'm taking mica powders and powdering all the background with it, just to make some rainbow colors. And the glitter will be shown as well as glitter on the other side when I'm finished. So I will put some music on for you to enjoy. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. I love that very much, and you will be a great deal of a help for me. And maybe you comment too. And this is getting me excited because I know that y'all like what I do. Thank you for that so far. So I mixed up some resin and put some black pigment paste in there, and I'm just pouring it onto my design. And yeah, that's it. It is about 24 hours later, and I'm checking whether I can take it out or not. And I'm deciding to do so. And now you can be curious what came out of this whole thing.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
This is what it looks like now, and I really like it, even though it has some flaws that I will show you soon. Yeah, and I have to do a top coat because my mold isn't that shiny on the bottom. Yeah, and this is what it looks like, and I think it looks interesting. The problems that I have here is I lifted the mold up too much, and so the UV resin got unstuck to it, and my other resin seeped underneath it, as you can see right here. So I put a top coat on it because I wanted to be shiny on the front, and that fixed up the flaws and holes that was there, and I think it was like really good to do so.
I got time, it's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back